In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Excel cells expand to fit text automatically in Google Sheets. If you've ever typed a long sentence into a cell and noticed that part of the text gets cut off or spills awkwardly into the next column, this quick formatting change will help. In Google Sheets, the easiest way to make text fit more neatly inside a cell is to use text wrapping. This allows the content to stay inside the selected cell while the row expands automatically to display the full text. To get started, go to your Google Sheet and open the spreadsheet where you want to adjust the text display. Make sure you're on the correct sheet tab if your file contains multiple tabs, and locate the area where your text is being cut off or not displaying the way you want. Next, click and highlight the cells that contain the text you want to expand to fit automatically. You can select just one cell, a group of cells, an entire column, or even a larger section of your sheet, depending on how broadly you want this formatting to apply. Taking a moment to select the right range is helpful because the wrapping setting will only affect the cells you've highlighted. Once your cells are selected, go to the top menu and click on Format. This opens a drop-down menu with several options related to how your data looks and behaves inside the sheet. From the Format menu, move down to Wrapping. This is the setting that controls how text appears when it's longer than the width of a cell. When you hover over or click Wrapping, you'll see the available options for handling long text. Then click on Wrap. As soon as you do this, Google Sheets will display the text on multiple lines within the same cell instead of leaving it cut off in a single line. In many cases, the row height will automatically increase, so all of the text becomes visible without you needing to manually resize anything. That's it. Once Wrap is enabled, your selected cells will adjust much more naturally for longer entries, making your spreadsheet easier to read and more organized. This is especially useful for notes, descriptions, comments, or any cell that contains more than just a few words. If needed, you can repeat the same process for other sections of your sheet. And if you want consistent formatting throughout your document, consider applying wrapping to entire columns where longer text is expected. This helps keep everything clean and readable as your spreadsheet grows.